Premiere Pro just dropped the biggest update ever, brand new color space. In this video, I will tell you everything you need to know about the color tab and I will show you how to use it. Let's get started. So when you open your Premiere Pro first time, you will see this interface. If you see at the top, you now have a new color tab. Click here and you can see we are now in the color tab. I'll make this a bit bigger. In the right side, you have your timeline. All the video that you have in edit, all those clips are now here. So this is your timeline, but you don't have to scroll. You can just select one of the clip and start color grading. For example, let's say we want to color grade this video. Just click on that and it is selected now. We can use contrast. You can just use your mouse, left click and drag up, drag down, and you can also drag left, right to change the pivot, and you can just release it and it will be gone. If you want to reset, just double click. You can also reset by clicking here. You have more options in the timeline. You can view it as grid. You can make it bigger or smaller. You have few controls right here. I will just keep it as it is. If you want to color grade multiple clips, you can click and then hold shift, select the clips that you want to color grade at once. You can see right here we have selected 5 clips. Add adjustment to selected 5 clips. You can see the number 5. So after that you can see group 3 and the marking is there 5. Now if we increase the saturation, we can see all those clips that we have selected is now saturated, but other clips are not affected. So let's color grade this one. If you want to be very clean, very organized, you can use this feature. There is a plus icon you can see. Let's name it first and we will adjust few things here. For example, contrast, just left click and you can drag your mouse. That's it. And after that I will add some sharpness. Okay, and after you do that I will add another adjustment, and now we can do other color grading. For example, temperature. You can go up and left at the same time. It's same on the mouse. You have to drag your mouse upward, left, right, up, down. So that's how we control it. And for saturation, we will make it a little bit more saturated. You can see we have shadow and color. If you want to toggle off one of them, color grading, you can do so by clicking here. And you can also disable this. If you want to reset everything from here, I don't know what it's called, maybe layer, maybe something else. If you want to remove everything from here, you can just press here, reset. If you want to reset a specific, for example, let's say saturation, you can just double click. You can also only use keyboard to control the settings. You don't have to use your mouse. Let's say we want to control the contrast. You can press Q on your keyboard and that will bring this HUD. Here you can use arrow keys on your keyboard to control the contrast. You can click up and it will go up. You can click down, it will bring it down, and you can see everything on the HUD. Click left or right to control the pivot. Once you're done, you just have to press Q again, or you can press enter. To use exposure, you have to click on W. So it's same like contrast, everything is same here. We will move to temperature, which is E, the shortcut key. And here it's basically same. You have to just use your arrow keys. You can see I'm clicking up, right, left, down, and once I'm happy with it, I'm just clicking enter, or the same key which brings the temperature. For balance, you have to press R, and here same kind of control. We will move to saturation, T, and here you don't have to go left and right, you can just press up and down to control the saturation. For saturation shift, you can press A, that will bring this HUD. You can use again your arrow keys. I'm pressing up and now I'm pressing left. Color it covering is less. If we want to cover more color, we can press right arrow keys. I'm just holding it and you can see it's now covering all the colors it have. You will notice here we have selected red. You can see on the graph that we are selected red. What happens if we select other colors? This is the yellow, and now if I click here, you can see it moves from red to yellow. I'll just reset it. So whenever you are using saturation shift, hue shift, luma shift, you always have those control to target each color. We also have eyedropper where you can click and select a specific color and then we can saturate it or we can change the color. So for hue shift we press S and for luma we press D, and it all have similar controls. For hue shift it's a bit different, but it's again you are using only the arrow keys, or you can use your mouse. Now moving left, you can see I can't move anymore. You can move right, which is now covering more color, and you can move that up and down to change the color. For texture it is very easy. For sharpness it's even more easy. Those two are same. You just have to go up and down. That's it. That's literally it, guys. Some of you who might want to remove this HUD, or you might want to move it to another place, you can do that. Let's show you how you can do that. Go here, color tool settings, and color heads up display, and you can see you can move it top left, top right, bottom right. You can set the size. You can also change a lot of things here: scope opacity, overlay opacity, saturation, and show number value, which is this, waveform, vector, and you can also freely move this HUD by going here and then freeform. Let's make the size bigger. That's it. Hit OK, and it will set to here. Whenever you click on this, it will come here. If you want to change that, just go there and maybe make it here, because you have the space, right? You can move it anywhere you want. So just hit OK. We also have few more options here in the plus, and also see some of the option right here. If we want to manually mask something, we can do so. Go here, object mask tool, and let's select this. We will go here and you can see our object mask is here, and we can track it. 27 frames per second. That's insanely good. Now once that's done, I just want to remove that so we can see it more clearly. Now if we saturate, you can see it is only affected the area that we have selected. We have to select the color, which is red. So now let's do it. We'll keep it like this. And look, we are in color tab. We have shadow, color. Now in shadow, we don't have the mask. If we do anything here, that will affect the whole clip. Few more tricks, guys. You have lots of clips like this, and you have not selected all of them when you started. You come to here. I think you can select both by clicking on Control, hold Control, and you can select both if you want to copy both of them. Now right click and you can see you have option to copy. You can copy it. Let's say you want to paste it here. You just press Ctrl+V and voila. I think if you select few clips and you press Ctrl+V, it will paste here. It will paste to all of them at once. That's very cool. That's very cool. Alright guys, so this is for today. If this video helps, consider subscribing, like, share, and peace.